Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making crochet braids with Criss Cross rubber band hairstyle. So it is super easy and fast. You can make this hair in probably 2 hours or so. So the first thing we're going to do is to section the hair into two. The first section of the hair is where we're going to have the Criss Cross. Now the Criss Cross has a way of beautifying your hair. It is super neat, always neat and very cute. There is a way it brings out your face, your beauty. I just love the Criss Cross actually. Now we're going to have it in 4 sections and apply black rubber bands to hold them down. You can get the black rubber bands at any beauty store around you. Now I am going to braid the second section of the hair. The good thing about this hairstyle is that the lower braid does not have to be perfect. Just make sure that the braid holds your head down tightly so as to serve as a strong base for the crochets. You understand? So you don't have to make it perfect. It doesn't have to be 100%. this is the crochets I'm going to use. It can be of any brand actually, and you can get them at your local hair store. So I'm going to put everything I used in this video at the description box, so please check it out. Now you're going to make use of your crochet pin. You insert it into the base of your hair, then you take your braid extension, you put the loop into the pin, you drag it out from your hair, then you run the tip of the extension into the loop. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, and please drop a comment at the comment section. I'll be there to answer them. I really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching.